To make a Cash App account under 18, you will need to follow a few specific steps. First, it is essential to note that Cash App is designed for individuals 18 years and older. However, minors can still use the service with the help of a parent or guardian. Start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address to begin the registration process. Since you are under 18, you will need a parent or guardian to help you with the next steps. They will need to provide their own Cash App account information or create a new account if they do not already have one. Your parent or guardian will then need to verify their identity and link a debit card or bank account to their Cash App account. This will allow them to send and receive money on your behalf. Next, your parent or guardian will need to create a new account in your name. Using your information, they will need to provide your name, social security number, and date of birth. Once the account is created, your parent or guardian will be able to manage and oversee your account activity. They will be able to send and receive money on your behalf, as well as monitor your account balance and transaction history. It is essential to note that as a minor, you will not have full control over your Cash App account. Your parent or guardian will be responsible for managing your account and making financial decisions on your behalf. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong and unique password, and keep your account information confidential. It is also a good idea to review the Cash App terms of service and understand the fees associated with using the service. By following these steps, you can create a Cash App account under 18 with the help of a parent or guardian. Remember to always use the service responsibly and follow best practices to maintain the security of your account.